11.
So we just have to choose our heights on our Y.
So when you put the circle, you can define the position X, Y, and Z. So this is what we ask you. It's 0, 0 on X and Y, and the axis is different level of the tape. Okay.
Create a lofted surface.
Can I do this in two?
No.
It's got to be in
The
3.
3D.
Okay.
So close this.
Close this.
Because on 2D you cannot have different levels. So
Okay.
that's why we start on 3D.
So start here.
So
Then I have my
radius 30, 0, 0, 0.
Meaning it to a center. Center.
Right.
Okay.
So that'll.
0, 0, 0.
Okay.
0.
And
0.
Oh, I see. And then-
so that will
Okay, you
start.
accept this.
This one will start.
Okay,
Here,
now
flat.
you make
Okay.
second one.
Oh, okay, I see.
40
Yeah, and
0,
25.
0, 25.
Right. Okay. Easy.
Oh, good morning. They're all separate sketches? Or is it one sketch?
Ah, si, si. Bah, il te faut valider le
No, I think
sketch.
it's all the same. You just stack them up.
Dans le menu surface, tu vas faire du loft.
This guy.
These are all in the same sketch?
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Paper cut, I'm going home. I'll come to the government.
Okay, that's done.
making sense.
Next.
It's always the Z is always the.
Right.
Which one's lofted?
Third or fourth one.
Yeah, you must accept the sketch first.
Oh.
Now-
Okay. Surface. Lofted.
Oh, yay. This is where the fun begins, huh? No, está bem, tô sem.
And then we choose, then select circles, create.
Yeah, you just select from top to bottom or bottom.
Okay. So click on here first,
Okay. Yeah, and then you
and then
select
click.
next one.
Oh, just
next
keep.
one.
Okay. Oh yes.
All
Okay.
good.
Lofted. So lofted just fills.
Yeah, for
Okay.
connect all together
Mhm.
Okay.
and remove surface. Your option. I want this in solid.
Create a spout,
Okay.
be a trim.
Okay, and that's it.
Yeah. Full.
Okay.
Make a new sketch. Okay. Yes.
Which is here.
Yeah.
I see.
So select the plane. So it's not
Okay.
X and Z. Okay. And to make the drawing like this, so
Okay.
accept this.
Okay. Okay. I just need to make a new. Okay. So that's split in half.
No.
So if we create a cylinder on the top, the same.
So in fact,
Trim like
the arc start at this point,
Okay.
go down, and
Goes
then
down.
horizontal.
Okay.
And horizontal is at 100, so you can
Okay.
start with a horizontal line at 100
Okay.
from bottom.
Okay.
Okay, make just like this. This line is 100 from bottom, so you just draw a horizontal line 100. Okay, so now you have to attach this point really at the end of the graph, so you can zoom in. So it looks not so bad. Okay, so what you can do now, you can make fixity. You don't know the position, but you can fix it and you click on the point. Okay, so now this point is fixed, so you can move it.
Oh, okay.
There is no real constraint, but it's fixed.
Okay.
So then now if you zoom out, you can put now the tangency with this and this.
So
Okay.
what he showed me,
So,
in order to get that
in
thing
fact,
from pink to blue,
you have two
Tangency.
you could do tangency as yes,
important things. This is the curve,
Yep.
the line.
tangent with this
That's
line.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's why
And then,
if
yeah, so
it's
you
no break.
Fixed the point in the end.
It's the same swoop.
Okay, so this point
Okay.
is
So-
important.
Oh, I need to
because
fix
you
this
want
here?
the
Yeah,
curve
so if you
Yeah.
go
exactly
to,
on this point. So
it's another
on this
constraint
point you can
type.
say here.
So where the
No,
tangency
next one. No.
is
Range
here.
45 from the.
yeah.
So 45 from here.
Oh,
yes.
No, so
Point.
fixing is like a workaround.
Fixed.
You're not constraining it with
So
a
if you click on
number
the
or a
point,
value or anything, because we
the
don't
point
actually
is
have
fixed. Okay.
Yeah.
a known
You can
location
do
for that.
this.
But you can just go into
So this
the
radius you can
constraints
delete
and there's
because
something
you
called
don't know
fixed.
if it's
It's a
correct or
little
not.
thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have to say that this
What is it?
The
bottom
values
is
fixed. It's a little pin.
tangent with
And
this
so,
line.
and then click on the end.
No.
Yeah. So that just fixes that
And
point.
see,
So see now it's blue.
Okay.
so the radius and the
I'm surprised the tangency
Okay.
wasn't necessary.
Now you see it's tangent.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Try it.
curve,
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
you,
right
you
in.
gave it a range.
So now I can
Okay.
cut.
So, but you understand that
Did
we
you
have
touch
to
the-
remove the
Yes,
radius
yes,
before
yeah,
we do
touching the line.
tangency because
And I think it's giving
the
you the error now.
tangency affects
exclamation
the
mark.
radius. So
Yes, it
if you
does.
have a radius already, you
have
can
two,
Yes,
tangencies.
yes, yep. I can cut.
So I would
Forget
delete
to
the
accept.
radius contingency,
How do I do that?
click on the R122.497 and delete it. And then do
Tangent?
tangency between.
Yeah, but before you do the tangency, you
Yeah.
have to make sure this point won't move. Because
You fixed it.
okay, you did. Oh, sorry.
And so.
So if
remind me how
it's
to do that
fixed,
again?
if
Yeah.
it's fixed, then if you apply the tangency, then the radius will change because the only way to be tangent and have a point over there is to change the radius. If you keep the radius value, it's impossible. Okay, you see now the curve change, but we still will go on this point.
Okay. And that's
Okay,
good.
and you can accept the sketch,
Excellent.
and then you can trim by profile.
Trim by profile, which is in surface.
Make a right click directly on the line.
Oh yeah. Okay. Right. And so the shape to modify is the
Yeah, the
first
shape.
shape. This one.
Yeah. The sketch is already selected.
Okay.
But it doesn't work. Why? Try to put the y-axis on the direction.
In here.
Direction. Select the y-axis. Yeah. So it doesn't work. So you can extend profile. Okay, now
Move
this.
that up.
Okay, you can accept this. So you have to show this to the other guy.
Okay. Oh, he's done it. You need to do it still?
Yeah, but anyway, I have to show this because something wrong happened here. I have to show you why. Okay, so he did the profile and he did the trim by profile. The trim by profile was in error, you see? It was in error before I extend the profile. So in fact, if the sketch does not go out of the model, it's impossible to trim.
Okay, right.
It's like if you, I don't know if we
Stuck
say
in it.
this, you know, the wire to cut the butter.
Yeah,
You take it on both sides and you go through the butter.
right.
If one of your finger is in the butter,
Mhm.
it doesn't work. It is the same, so you have to extend the wire to make sure it goes out. And here you can see, but you have an
Oh,
option to say extend profile, then it make it
Okay.
automatically.
Oh, nice.
So if we're ever stuck sometimes in that phase.
So make sure all the time when you do a profile like this to trim, make sure it goes.
But even though the line was still blue, it said it was okay, but it wasn't connected.
Yes, it is okay because it is under constraints.
Okay, oh,
but,
right, yeah.
The software doesn't know what you want to do with the profile.
Right,
Maybe trim, maybe extrude, maybe, okay. So in fact, the problem was on the sketch, and here you can see it doesn't go through. So like this, it's okay. Okay, so make sure all the time you go out. And here the problem you see, the fixity was not so good. It's supposed to be right to the end, but
Okay.
I did a big zoom. So maybe it's few, but
Once you make the thickness, it will matter, I guess.
yeah, so normally if I do this, remove fixity.
oh, cause yeah, we're gonna have to make a. we're gonna have to
pen
hollow
fix,
this thing out,
okay.
okay? Oh,
Okay, it's better like this.
And the handle. Okay,
And this is a new sketch as well?
Yeah, new sketch to draw the handle.
What is it, sometimes when I changed, I did a constraint on this circle, made it 5, and it automatically did it for this one, and it shrunk it down, like scale. Is that because?
Now, as soon as you apply the first dimensional value,
Mhm.
it scale all the sketch. So I don't know what you did before.
Here, I'll do it again, so you
Yeah.
can see what happens. So
Okay.
here, I drew these two, right, and we're gonna do
And
one more time.
you have more circle here. So in fact, I just check if there is any information at the back. So now, in fact, you have to draw in this view. So it is on X and Y, X and Z.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh,
Like this, okay? So in fact you have to draw like this,
Oh.
the arc with straight lines over there, straight, arc and straight, okay?
oh, and then sweep it.
Then we will do like the tennis racket,
Swept.
but there is a specific function named tube. In
Okay.
fact, when it's a constant cylinder,
Yes.
then there is a function for this, so you don't have to draw any
Profile.
the profile and so on, okay?
Oh, okay. So we just do a
And
line.
then
Yeah, okay.
you apply this, and then we will make a boolean
Union?
union, and then we apply the fillet on here.
Okay. So if I'm drawing it from this side, how do I know I'm in the center? That's why I had it oriented the other way, because I knew that it was in the center.
Yeah, in fact, when we started everything, we create the circle 0, 0, 0. So everything is center.
Right. What I'm saying is that I put my plane here.
At the beginning, you did it on Y and Z axis.
Because I thought I put my.
Yeah, you wanted, that was okay. You wanted to make the cylinder like this.
Just by
It was
default.
okay. Your plane definition for what you wanted to do was correct.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but you were on the wrong path.
So my question is, I'm gonna be attaching a wire, a line, to the
No,
center of this cup. How do I know I'm not attaching it
you just make this like this to and the arc.
Yeah.
Then you apply the correct
So
rotation.
it's automatically in the middle. Oh, cause it's 0, 0, 0.
Everywhere around the world they do that?
I guess cause I'm a.
Ça m'est arrivé de faire
Yeah, it's
Ouais, ça arrive ça.
So what you're,
like you don't have to orient it this way because it's already.
so I think what you're saying is that I have my axes, my
Yes.
Z axes, my X,
In
and
the
my
center.
Y in the
Yes.
center.
Yes.
So whenever I draw these lines, I was thinking that
No,
it
no,
might
no,
be here,
it
or
grow
here, or
it grow
here.
here because we didn't define any new yes offset plane.
Okay.
We have on the original plane.
Okay. So 30. Here's the distance. Well.
Comment qu'il y a sur la left, hein?
Ben,
Si-
celle-là,
si-
oui.
Si ça se passe mal, il y a comment qui joue au courant.
C'est ça. Celle-là,
So,
Si là, il y a un tremblement de terre et qu'il faut se mettre sur la table, il y a comment qui sait.
qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Qu'est-ce qu'il
So
fait?
you do
Il n'a pas
125.
lu ce qu'il avait écrit.
Yes.
Bon,
and
moi, ça me.
then 50
Je
from
vois pas
here.
comment. Qu'est-ce qu'il. Ouais.
Mais tu décides maintenant. En fait, tu as besoin de poser un
And
cercle.
then 50 on top.
De trouver où est le centre du cercle.
Ouais, mais ça, on n'a pas la.
It's gonna be
Tu
30.
as tout. Voilà, diamètre 50.
Ah, diamant, moi, je pensais que c'était la rôle.
trim that profile.
It's good. Strain. That guy.
Je pense que j'ai screw up quelque chose quelque part parce que je suis pas capable de le couper.
Mais, alors,
Ah, c'est oui, ça.
là, mets-toi correctement dans la vue relative là. Dans la vue de dessus. Voilà, et on va tourner.
Okay.
Bien voir. Voilà. Alors déjà, ça c'est bizarre. Alors,
The arc. Oh, the arcs.
d'abord, on va
Oui,
regarder.
c'est-
Donc ça c'est
Ouais,
sketch.
ouais.
Ok. Donc tu fais
Yeah,
un
where does it
fil
start?
droit.
Does it-
Trim
the
the
arc
arc.
starts
Mhm.
right
In the
Yeah.
center.
Donc,
J'ai pas séparé.
cette
the
flèche
50 at the
te
25.
donne la direction de ce que tu vas lever.
I'm gonna go after the center line first.
En fait, on va lever ce qu'il y a
Yeah,
ici.
50.
Okay.
Well, it's 50 above the 25. It's 50 there.
The height is 50.
But you're
or
done.
Yeah.
Il y a-
Yeah.
il y a- il y a- par contre, il y a deux qui marchent.
So I'm gonna start Start my arc right here, I guess, wherever it comes into there.
Well, that's what I was thinking, so right at the surface. So do we need to bring this line back to the surface?
We can always take it off after.
Trim it?
Ah, tu as changé le type de limitation.
Okay, so arc,
Tu as pris une révolution, c'est pour ça. En fait, il
radius,
faut rester sur une extrude. En fait, ton fil, tu l'extrudes.
5. Does that make sense?
Ok. J'étais là 3 fois, mais ça n'a pas marché.
Nope.
Fait. Ok.
Or is it, oh, this is diameter of 50.
Yes.
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 Diameter of 50.
Ça là. Je peux sauter cette ligne-ci à cette heure ou.
Okay.
Bon, mais
So
tu
where
peux
it
cacher,
finishes
si
on
tu
top
veux
is where it
dans le
finishes,
fil.
because the radius is
Tu
set.
étais des sketchs là, et t'es là, tu prends un clic ici là, en bout là, au-dessus. Voilà. Là, c'est tous les
Ok.
thèmes, les sketchs ne sont plus visibles.
Ok.
How are you connecting?
Ça, c'est la
it
visibilité.
in there?
Il
Oh,
faut
just
pas le
wherever
supprimer,
it
il faut juste le
It's not
cacher.
actually-
it starts coming back down again.
Yeah, but
Right.
it's not actually connected, I don't think. So, this one. I want it to be up here.
Ça, ça existe pour la première.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now I should be able to trim.
But, wait. Ah, yes, you trim, yes. And you have to set the center of the circle in the correct position.
The center of this radius?
Yes,
Okay.
because at the moment you can. No, sorry.
C'est ton premier?
Je travaille là-dessus.
Ça, je t'en
The moment you can do this,
Create the handle profile,
Okay,
create
so you have
shape
to-
via pipe icon.
apply the correct.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that right. Arc. Radius, 25.
So this center.
What are we doing here?
So I only have a measurement from the outside of, like,
Yeah.
this line is 30.
Yeah.
So when I grab this, it looks for an angle, not a.
Yeah, normal. So you can select the center. So you know the radius. The radius is 25, so it's 30 less 35.
Oh, okay.
30 less 25. Yeah. And you take the center.
And that's gonna be 5 off of here, I
Yeah.
guess? Okay.
But I'm not sure you can handle this. So you have to go there. But this, you know it.
So I've got, okay, so I've got, 35, 30, so 65 minus 15.
How many is 25?
So this is the center,
Yes.
this line here is,
Is 40. Yes. Diameter 80. So this is 40.
this is 40,
Yes. So 40 plus
30 is
30, 70. 70 less 25.
Oh, okay, so 45. See that? So we're trying to find out where this, cause I can't move the arc, to find out where the center of this needs to be relative to the center. So, we know that it's,
What do you want to do?
this circle
Create profile,
here,
create
Yeah,
shape. with
before
this.
you need to create the profile, so you need to
or
do
25 away from
something
here,
like that.
so,
Start there.
let's just see, so
Right,
where,
yes,
we'll
yes,
find out
yeah.
where this is, so we know this
You
is,
have to do this.
Okay.
And then you make the handle
See
with
that?
the. So you have to make a new sketch. The correct orientation.
right for
Hein?
that, so,
Donc demande la position de toute ça, là. Un moteur et un X et un Y, on fait une modèle. Donc avec le plan, tu vas pouvoir les détailler.
I
Bah,
guess
déjà,
that must line up with this line.
Je l'ai dit quand je l'ai dessiné.
Ah ouais, mais il
This
faut
is
maintenant le mettre, c'est une chose, mais il vaut mieux donc, tu as juste à le valider si c'est la bonne position.
Ah, il faut par rapport à
Oh,
Ah,
I see, I see,
par
okay,
rapport
so
à
this
ça.
is 40 to here,
How do you?
cause
How
it's,
do you-
because it's 80 from.
Oh, right,
here to
80
here.
half. Okay,
So
so 80 plus 30 is 70, so that's where
And then
your center.
80 plus 30 is 70, so that takes you to here, and then you come back the radius, so 70 minus
Minus
25 is 45.
Yeah, correct plane.
Okay.
No, but you didn't accept. Create new sketch. Yeah.
If it's 70, so it goes
Take the
70
plane.
out from the center.
No.
So
The plane is here.
constraint.
Super plane.
That's
This
70.
one, yes. So accept this. Okay, now you can go.
Ici pour la calendrier, il y a pas de
Non.
So,
Ouais, mais
So
on
it's gonna
va
be
rentrer plus, mais
the
c'est
distance
pas grave,
from
je peux
here
faire
to
sur
this
le
one
moyen,
is 40.
Okay.
Okay, and then we don't know where
Il
that
faut
is,
qu'il rentre
so we know this,
Ouais.
so we add
So we
another
need
30.
30. So we need to be, that's needs to be 70, right?
70.
I'm 70 there. It looks
Là, en fait, il y a une
way
fonction
bigger.
qui s'appelle
Yeah,
fillet.
but one more step. So what we're trying to do is not move this arc, we're trying to move the center of the circle.
Okay. Okay.
So then we gotta come back, the radius to 25, so that center of the circle should be 45
Tout simplement. Après,
from
tu fais une union.
this line. So
From the center line.
Et
From
on
the center
a
line,
d'accord.
cause that's all we know, we can count out to
L'union, là.
here,
Oui,
Yeah.
l'union.
it's 70. The only way to count back is to use the radius, so we subtract the radius of the circle, just 25.
Oh, I see,
So
okay.
70 minus 25 is 45, which is the remainder here
Okay. So 45 out is the center,
of the circle.
Of the circle.
Yeah, cause we can't grab the arc.
right? Okay. New line.
Okay, and now we need pipe.
Just accept.
Oh, that problem. Oh, I
Okay.
should trim that maybe.
Okay, so now you can do the pipe, yes.
Should I do the pipe now or trim
Yes.
this? Okay.
Pipe it.
Let's pipe it. Is that something that comes out of here?
Not sure, but if you go in the shape menu or surface menu, the first one is pipe.
No? Okay. Alright.
So you have three options, okay? So the
Two.
first one is, so the last one is with the profile,
Okay,
okay, like the rocket we did.
yes.
So the other one is
Tube shape.
tube, and the first one is just a cylinder. So if put the radius, and we'll just
I think
so
it's
radius
5. Radius 5.
radius 5, yes.
So diameter, so
10
10.
diameter 10. Okay, that's fine. Make a union, boolean union,
Yeah.
and then make the fillet. Good. Seconde bout à la percée là. Sur le haut. Voilà, ici de l'eau. Et là il faut trop enlever de façon dans celui-là, celui-là. Tu mets les deux cercles, voilà, bon, deux, parce que
Do we have those? We're gonna hollow that.
ah, parfait. Ah oui, celui-là il est pas joli. Celui-là il est
plus fragile.
Change la couleur,
Changer la couleur.
tu le dois, celui. Ouais. Tu le mets en bleu clair, comme ça. Ou un petit peu clair, peut-être. Voilà. Pour valider, et tu mets les autres pareil, ça va, avec le raf,
I don't know where I'm going.
Okay, now, so what are you're doing the arc?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't need the vertical line.
Okay. So I'll get rid of that.
I don't think I had a vertical line, no, so you don't need a vertical line. Okay,
So I go,
and you are gonna create the arc from where it kind of connects down there. So go to your arc tool. And then,
radius is 25.
yeah, so start around there, yeah. And then finish up higher.
Like this is where I have problems, like it turns that way, it
Yeah,
doesn't.
don't worry about it, cause an arc is always 3 points, is where you start, where you finish, and
Oh,
then.
right,
the
and
third
then you
one
have
has
to
be
pull it
higher.
out.
That's right. Did you? Okay,
Okay.
try that again.
Yeah, I'm definitely missing something here. Okay, so arc tool, start here,
Yeah.
right? I'll zoom right in, so right.
Ça, tu peux me guider
Okay, so, and then, second point is up here.
Somewhere, yeah. And then pull your picture down.
Ici, t'as un rayon.
Ouais.
Oh.
Un rayon de 25 sur
Maybe it's because in
Ah, c'est la
the
moitié. Ben, ça, je l'avais mis, c'est
sheet there, it has a fixed radius.
Non, j'en ai pas mis 25,
So if you go back to your radius tool again, and on the top, it says, on the left-hand side, I think it says free, so click that
Non,
one.
c'est pas.
Okay, so you had a fixed radius, so that's why as soon as you put 2 points, it said, well, this is a radius, but we don't know what the radius is.
I thought the radius was,
Ici, t'as.
Oh, we do know the radius.
or do we? Maybe we don't. Radius does,
I don't think we do.
okay.
No.
So,
Ça veut dire 30
Well, no,
plus.
we should, the diameter is 50,
Moins 25.
so the radius was 25.
Ici.
Well, let's try this anyways,
okay, let me, for that guy, okay, so,
and then go to free.
free,
Yeah.
and then I'll have my start point here, and my end point up here.
Okay, and then, yeah, there you go, and then click there.
Ouais.
Even though it's above there.
Moi, je
Yeah, it
regarde,
doesn't matter.
ça, c'est supposé être le milieu.
Okay, and now you can specify the radius as
Sur le, ça, c'est 80.
25 when you put
80, c'est
the
là.
constraint on it.
30.
Ah oui,
Okay.
c'est souvent, c'est
So, how do I do that? I go to constraint?
Yeah,
Moins 25
and
pour
then
le
grab
25.
that arc,
Tout
just
ça,
pass through,
ça donne
10,
45.
45.
Okay,
pull away,
Là, faut que je bouge ça à 45.
yeah, pull to the right, and
Ici,
then click,
ça,
double click.
okay.
avec l'axe là, à 45. Le dessus, descend en bas.
Okay, so good job. Arc, oh, you got
So
it.
what's the deal?
I'm trying to create an arc.
Just change the radius.
How do I do that?
Okay, so you see the radius is with comma,
Yeah.
so because it's already here.
Okay.
So this one you can delete. So close this first. Okay, delete this, and now change it here.
Okay,
Oh, I see, so it already had it, okay.
right.
That was my mistake, right?
All the time you have a comma,
And it's 25?
25 here.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure you have tangency with this and this, so you can
Okay.
go tangency.
Tangency, which is already there.
Sur l'option de cotation.
Okay, so this line and this. Okay, then you can trim,
Is that?
trim the.
Oh,
yeah,
trim,
trim
yeah.
this. Okay, so now you can close. So you see it's still pink. So if you take the center of this, drag it. You see you can move.
Okay.
Why? Because you didn't set.
Hmm.
Okay, and also look, you can trim this.
So now we're getting back to that,
Trim it.
minus
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So now put the correct.
So now I need
Close the
to.
trim, and you have to put the distance from
constraint
this
here?
to this.
Okay. Here. Now it's gotta be 45.
Le deuxième. Sweat. Le premier. Oh, pipe.
Okay.
Non, tout, we're set.
Now we need to go, so this is good. Now
You
we need
have to
to
accept
This
the
is
case.
accept.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you do the pipe.
Now I do the pipe,
Is this millimètre?
which is.
It's a surface.
Surface menu.
Là, faut que je fasse.
Surface
Sur la flèche.
Okay, sur la flèche.
Non, la
Pipe.
flèche, là.
Okay.
And then I
Okay.
just follow my path here.
You have three options. You see.
Okay.
First one is just
It's all there.
take it the first one.
Union.
Il faut aller non, ouais.
The wires.
Okay.
Okay.
Second one is like a tube.
Mhm.
And last one is if you use a different profile, like a square or so on. But at the moment it's like a cylinder, so it was the first one. Okay, so the path is this, the sketch you just made, so you can move in 3D to see.
Pointed the right way.
Yeah, just move in 3D a little.
Okay.
And the diameter is 10, that's fine because they ask radius 5.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, so you can accept this.
okay, so that's done.
Because it's solid.
Okay, now you can do the boolean union.
Okay.
Make only one shape, so
Okay,
it's,
so my boolean, close this.
Inside.
Yeah.
so it's shape.
Yeah. Shape, boolean.
Okay,
And my shape
shape is okay.
is the original.
Yeah.
My tools is this. And that's good.
Mm.
Okay.
And then you can do the fillet.
The fillet, which is just these here.
Yeah.
And 10 R10. Oh wow.
Yes. And this one.
Huh. Okay. That's great.
That's it.
Beautiful. It's a thing of beauty.
Now you make right click, change the attribute. Right click here, attribute. Select the color. No, not this one. Light blue, something light blue, yes. Okay, accept this, and now you play with the transparency, like an 80 or 70%. Yeah.
Source document
Accept
value
this.
do not create machine document. Parce que tu fais le fillet.
Accept.
What
was that?
When you hollowed it,
No, it's not.
Ah, you have to allow, yes.
Par les filets.
So
so shape.
at the moment it's free.
I don't think I did all of them, right?
Do this. I'm trying to.
Hello.
Faut que je fasse ça.
Ça va et toi?
Shape.
Ok, so on va reculer jusqu'à temps que je dépasse ça.
Ah, on n'a pas encore posé la question, mais il y a forte chance que non. Moi. Très forte chance que non. Ouais. Ouais. Ouais, parce que j'attends de voir aussi ce que fait Jonathan, parce qu'il ne sait pas encore s'il reste la semaine prochaine ou pas là. Donc dès que j'ai les infos, je te dirai. Ouais. Alors, as-tu vendu ta première machine?
Oh, right.
So that the gold difference.
Is this?
Ah, et tous ils m'ont annoncé qu'ils vont la vendre aujourd'hui, donc ils se sont vautrés.
Sur les manches. Sur le manche.
Ah là là, il te le fait durer ça. Hein?
Les manches en appareil.
It's like it's treating. Is it got two shapes, but it's usually.
Bon, bah écoute, on verra. Bon, je te tiens au courant ouais, dès que on en sait plus. Ça marche.
Well, I want to talk
Allez,
about
salut.
shape.
Ils n'ont pas vendu. Il faut qu'ils retournent vendredi. Ah ben c'est que c'est pas encore.
Did you do it on the outside?
Il force les clients à signer. Il est encore trop tard, trop jeune. Ah.
Je sais pas ce qu'il y a, mais il n'arrive pas à faire le filet ici.
Alors, je vais venir. So, can you... Ah, you did the euro?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't know how I did though. Oh no, I went to
Euro?
to hollow this one.
Open it, yeah. So close this. It's here. Open this. Double click. Oh, on the euro.